I think I might have enough mud there. I've mixed up a bag of mud too much, but hey, no biggie. No biggie at all. See how I don't have to be doing this all the time, tamping it down. I have it at such a consistency of wetness. Every time a tiler has it dry, he's patting it down all the time. Because in my book of rules, it's only it's only my book of rules, mind you, it's too dry. But when you're a learner, have it dry because it's easier to work with. Everyone starts off with it dry when they're learning. But I don't have to pat it down all the time. It's solid and it's there forever. Where the hell is my wooden float? Just like that, folks. Now that is going to act as my water stop. Nah, I might take it out. I'll see. And then put in I could cut the bottom of my tile. I'll see. I'm only thinking out loud for what I'm going to be doing on, what is it, Tuesday after Easter, because it's Easter weekend. Today is Thursday, and once I've done this little bit and washed up my levels, that's it. My Easter weekend has started. Nearly. half an hour, I'll be out of here. Tomorrow we will walk our doggy at the beach. She's 16 and we absolutely love her to bits. Hopefully she's got a few more years in her yet. But we look after her and give her heaps of love and that sort of thing. And that's why she's still going. But where we go walking is a lot of people walk their dogs there as well, and it's you know, they love their animals, and it's good to see. They pick up after them, which is good. But for a 16-year-old doggy, which is 100 and, I don't know, roughly, in human years, roughly about 120. I'm not super exactly sure. Someone might be able to help me out on that one. Now look at that. See, no matter where I put my level with what I'm doing, that bubble always comes out bang on. But you must always check. But yeah, someone might be able to help me out there. Exactly how old would our Susie be in human years? She's 16 now. Yeah, she's 16 in human years, or doggy years, 16 in doggy years. What would she be in human years? Does that sound right? I think so. We're going like that, down to the waist. Oh yeah. Goes from there. It's dead level. See the fall there? I've got a gap under here because it's falling down there, so that's where I break its back. There. Chris, the shower screen guy, comes in. And he puts the shower screen in. And we're home and hose. We'll see you after the weekend, people. See that again? I'm poking at the subscribe button. That's what I need you to do. See ya. Bye.